गाइस अभी पहुंच चुके हैं हम लोग दुबई फ्रेम में, और देख सकते हैं काफ़ी शानदार सा ये दुबई फ्रेम, और कम्प्लीटली सोने का बना है बाहर से, देख सकते हैं। और अब फिर नेक्स्ट चलते हैं कहीं और पे। वैसे ये आपको हमने कल दिखाया था, आपको ध्यान में होगा, काफ़ी बेहतरीन सा नज़ारा था ऊपर से भी और यहाँ से भी। चलिए फिर भी मिलते हैं।
And left side that is port. And just over there one ship available there. That ship belongs to Queen Elizabeth over there. The white one. In the past Queen was using that. Then they have purchased from there. They brought here. Nowadays that is just hotel. Anybody can move there. That is like 5-star hotel. And now we are moving to a Jumeirah Road. Jumeirah means sign of life. Why sign of life? Because in the past these buildings were not available here. Only small huts available in this area because they were the fishermen at that time. They did not have housing just like today. Right side, the name of this place is Union House. Right side here. On 2nd December 1971, this country was formed as a country at this place. All the rulers of 7 states, because before 1971 all states were separate countries, and 2nd December 1971 they came to this place and they have signed one agreement to become a one country. So the name of this place is Union House. So this country was united as a country, and the next one, all these are palaces, and these are some old palaces which belongs to the ruler family of Dubai. So right side में ये palace ही है जी। छोटे वाले बड़े वाले भी आ गए हैं। It was constructed in Fatimi style. It's very unique construction style. In 1978 it was completed. 1979 they opened for everybody. Anybody can move after booking time because scholars are there. They have guided tour there. But in any mosque at prayer time you can go there. In any mosque which is near to you, male female sides available. But I'm not talking about fathers. So this is minimum house.
लोकल लोगों
And
का
I will
घर।
talk about the local people. A little before I told you, we have 15% local only. 85% we have foreigners. And we will divide them in 2 categories. So we have 2 kind of local people, 2 varieties. Number 1, they are rich people, and number 2, they are very, very rich people. So no poor person here. I am talking about locals only. Why they are rich and very, very rich? Because they are getting a lot of facilities by the government. So government is giving them a lot. Government is awarding them a lot. For example, if a local boy will marry with a local girl, so one house is given by the government to one family. So one house is given by the government. That is free for everybody. Then again, if somebody wants to do business, so government will provide on very easy money on very easy installment and near to zero interest rate. Then again, job is given by the government according to their education. Again, education is free. They don't need to pay for education. If some boy and girl, they are very intelligent, they want to move abroad for higher education, so government can sponsor. Health facility is free. They don't need to pay for health. And if some kind of treatment is not available in this city, so in this country, so they will send to others, to other area, to other country. Then again, at the time of marriage, if a local boy will marry with a local girl, so government will provide 70,000 dirham to boy and 30,000 dirham to girl for marriage. And mashallah, Muslim can marry 4 times, a lot of money. No, I'm just joking. It's very beautiful car on your left side there. And again, for kids, government is also giving them money so that they can have more kids. They want to increase their population. The government don't provide for second marriage, only one marriage. I'm just joking. So that's why they are rich and very, very rich, because we spend our whole of life for availing these facilities, for constructing one house, for providing health education facilities to our kids, for giving them money, daily routine money, for marriage. So all those things they are getting by the government. This is one of the greenest deserts. So wherever you will move, you will find a lot of greenery in this country. But keep it in mind, we don't have rivers, water canals, and glaciers here. Because desert, that means we receive very less rains. And sometimes they use cloud seeding. They get artificial rains here, so that they can get water, they can collect water. And most of the water which we are using, we are receiving that water, we are getting that water from sea. we have world's largest desalination plant. So we are purifying, then we are using. And even used water and water which we are getting by artificial rain, they are collecting, recycling, and using for greenery and other purpose. And in this country, sometimes water is even expensive than petrol. But it doesn't mean that you have to drink petrol. So water available everywhere. लेकिन याद रखिएगा कि पानी इधर पेट्रोल से तो सस्ता ही है, सॉरी पेट्रोल से तो महंगा। आप एक छोटी बोतल में टूरिस्ट प्लेस से लेंगे तो तकरीबन 5 दिरहम की है। तो किसी भी टूरिस्ट प्लेस होटल पे लेंगे तो 10-15 दिरहम की हो जाएगी। तो अगर 5 दिरहम नहीं हो तो 2 लीटर पेट्रोल आ जाए। So in the past, the name of this country was Trucial State. Why Trucial State? But before that, on your left hand check. So these you are finding in films mostly these characters. So their models available on your left side. Statues available in Diva. So in films you are finding this on your left side here. So as I told you in the past, the name of this area of this country was Trucial State. Why Trucial State? Because people from Africa, when they were moving to a subcontinent like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, so they were using this area as a trading route. It's also a clinic, this golden one here. It's very beautiful clinic here. But at that time, certainly a lot of looters and pirates available here, and local rulers, they didn't have money because the oil was not explored at that time. They didn't have money means they didn't have proper navy and army. So for controlling those looters and pirates, all these rulers, they have one agreement with British government in 1860. The name of that agreement was Trucial Agreement, so that's why this area was named as a Trucial State. First ruler, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan bin Al Nahyan, he was the person who has invited them to become one country. And on his invitation on 2nd December 1971, this country was formed as a country, 6 states had joined. 7 states Rasul Khaimah had joined the next year, and 2 states Bahrain and Qatar, they did not join, those are separate countries. One new island there. The name of that island is World Island. In 2030 approximately that will complete, and when that will complete, it will look like world map. And left side is city. It's a man-made water canal, 3 kilometers, 2.7 billion dirham they spent for the construction. And they took water from sea and connected to the sea. तो आप इधर इसके पीछे आप देखेंगे थोड़ी सैंड नज़र आ रही है, वो पीछे करके तो वो सारा बन रहा है वर्ल्ड आइलैंड. So you can say within 30 to 35 years only, they brought their people from desert to this modern life because then. Most of the modern part of the city is constructed during past 20 years, so easily you can observe how the city was changed in this area. So within 20 years, most of the construction in city was done, you can observe in this area. For example, it was Burj Khalifa in 2005. Check here, come inside please. So in 2005, Burj Khalifa area was this, nothing, not even a single building available in this area. And this is same area. So now we're moving towards Dubai Marina, inshallah we'll visit that place later. So it was Dubai Marina in 2000, nothing, only sand. Construction was started there. And this is same area. I will go with an older part of the city, Greek, so that was just like this.
दोस्तों अभी हम लोग यहाँ जुमेरा बीच पे आ चुके हैं और काफ़ी खूबसूरत सा ये बीच मेरे सामने है, अभी आपको भी दिखाते हैं। हालांकि आपको पीछे दिख गया होगा और बहुत ही बेहतरीन सा ये बीच है। अभी बीच के नज़दीक जा रहे हैं और आपको बताएंगे, दिखाएंगे काफ़ी खूबसूरत सा ये बीच, दुबई का जुमेरा बीच। और साथ ही साथ यहाँ एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन सा 7 स्टार होटल बुर्ज अल अरब, और साथ में वो इतनी खूबसूरत इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ बनी हुई है, वो भी हम आपको दिखाएंगे। चलिए एंजॉय कीजिए, कुछ सिनेमैटिक व्यूज़ आपके सामने मैं पेश करता हूँ। भाई काफ़ी खूबसूरत सा बीच है ये जुमेरा बीच दुबई में। आय हाय हाय बहुत ही शानदार। काफ़ी सारे लोग अंदर स्विमिंग करते हुए और बीच के मज़े लेते हुए। इधर सामने देख सकते हैं वॉशरूम का इंतज़ाम भी है, आप जाके वहाँ पर शावर वगैरह भी ले सकते हैं। और अपने लाइफ गार्ड वहाँ पे बैठे हैं ताकि सेफ गार्ड कर सकें, हमें किसी मिस हैपनिंग से बचा सकें। और सामने ये नज़ारा बुर्ज अल अरब, काफ़ी बेहतरीन सा आर्किटेक्चर, 7 स्टार होटल शिप के डिज़ाइन में इसे बनाया हुआ है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत यॉच के साथ। यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी सारे खूबसूरत यॉच और प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं और लोग यहाँ पे साथ ही साथ मोटर स्पोर्ट्स भी कर रहे हैं।
The suites room, all rooms are double story. At the top, one round area that is helipad. So Andre Agassi and Royal Field, they play one tennis match at the top. Red Bull team, they have landed one plane there that is also world record. And they also present their most expensive whiskey. The cost of that whiskey is 27,321 dirham per shot. Then they are presenting in Gold Cup, and Gold Cup is also given to the same person. Sorry, no, sir, right side. That is available on the way. On the same road, there is one hotel. The name of that hotel is Four Seasons Hotel. So that is part of that. The name is Nusrat. But 19, that is 4,000-5,000 dirham. It's very expensive. So this is the main entrance. So this is Burj Al Arab.
बुर्ज अल अरब मेन
Burj
एंट्रेंस।
is tower, and this Al you are listening again. Al don't have any meanings. Al is just like Da in English. In English we are saying Da, so that is Al. Burj Al Arab means the Arab tower. This area like of Venice. In the middle they have constructed one water canal. It's like 3 kilometers. On the both side these are rooms for the hotel, and back side they have 2 kilometer beach and approximately 70 bar restaurants available in the same. Right side from this white wall, or from here to onward, all these palaces, and all these palaces belongs to the royal family of Dubai. These are super rich people, like 50-acre house, 60-acre house, 30-acre house, just like that. So they have their own helicopters, so they're landing inside, boating inside. So they have their own beaches on back side. They have their own yachts. They have their own zoo. They have their everything. You can say they have their own inside. Even small islands available on the back side. ये सारे पैलेस हैं जितने भी इधर हैं, ये सिर्फ दुबई की रॉयल फैमिली के हैं। इसी तरह 7 स्टेट्स हैं, हर रॉयल फैमिली का सेपरेट जगह पे पैलेसेस हैं। सो वी हैव 7 रॉयल फैमिलीज है, एंड ईच एंड एवरी स्टेट पैलेसेस अवेलेबल। बाकी तकरीबन हर चीज़ इन्होंने उगा दी है, जैसे मैंगो ट्रीज हैं, हर चीज़ तकरीबन उगाई है। All these are palaces.